Animal Company in VR. So basically, you want to go to store and you need to find mobile VR station and download that. Then when that's downloaded, go to browser, then search when you're in itch.io, I think you're supposed to see this page, then go to search games and search Old Company. Then when that's done, you should get this one. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this one. And you have to download it. Then when that's downloaded, go to mobile VR station. Then when you're here, you have to find configure wizard, then show all options, configure manage all files, then this one, and then that's the wrong thing, open all files, then press Old Company, the thing you downloaded, then install, and then that's gonna install. Okay, now that's done, and you want to press open. And then as you can see, I'm going to Old Company, which is the Old Animal Company. Wow. Wow. Wait, no. This is actually Old Animal Company. I actually did not believe it's gonna be Old Company, like Old Animal Company, but it worked, guys. It worked. Even that's the reset thingy. It has the scanner thingy. Yo, flashlight. Emerald code. Okay guys, so this is how you can get Old Animal Company.